Hey guys, so today we are at the very popular Calcutta 64. This has reopened this week and we had to be here. You know about this place already. If you don't, let's quickly get inside and show you what this place looks like. Come inside.
Remember the days I let slip away. They were simpler time. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of the world on your shoulders. Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart.
Right guys, so finally we are settled in at Calcutta 64 and what better to begin things with than with a classic cup of cappuccino. So let's start.
You be dancing on the moon. I bet my life. You be dancing on the moon.
So guys, Calcutta 64 is located very close to City Center 1. It's a multi-cuisine cafe. So it serves Asian, continental, Mexican, as well as sizzlers, etc. The address of this place is Second Cross Road, BC, Sector 1. Current timings for the restaurant right now is it opens at 12:30, closes at 9 o'clock. Right, so we have the menu of Calcutta 64 over here. This looks like a new menu. When you start off, you have the hot beverages. There's hot coffee as well as hot tea. Then you have the cold section over here, the iced tea, cold coffee, mocktails, shakes and smoothies. Moving to the sandwiches and the burgers, which are very popular over here. You have the sandwiches, the burgers, the pizzas, thin crust pizzas with the add-on options. Next up, you have the snacks, veg and non-veg, steaks. These are new additions from last year. Then you have pasta, you have different types of continental main courses. Not just continental, you get Thai, you get Mexican, a lot of grilled items, sizzlers, and finally the desserts.
Dancing on the moon. I bet my life. You be
Alright, the first item of the day is a plate of chicken and chips with sides of fries as well as a mint mayo dip.
dancing on the moon.
6 pieces. It's priced at 250 rupees. The quantity is pretty good. It's crispy outside, it's pretty juicy inside. Despite it being cut into slices, it has not lost its moisture. So this is a pretty good item. Right, so today we are joined by our co-members from YouTube as well as Foodspa Vlog. So we have Ortho, who is a Foodspa Vlog moderator as well as a YouTube editor. We have Shoptik, who is a Foodspa Vlog co-member. And we have Shrishta, who is also a Foodspa Vlog co-member. Hi guys. Alright, so the first cold beverage of the day is an Oreo vanilla shake. This entire glass, gigantic glass, comes up for 195 rupees. I would prefer my shakes to be slightly thicker than what it is over here. It certainly tastes good, but I would have liked it to be thicker than what it is. I've had better shakes over here. My recommendations are the hazelnut frappe and the crunchy cold coffee. Those are the best ones over here, as well as the mango shake. That's also really nice. So the next starter which we have in front of us is the oyster fish. As you can see, they've garnished it pretty cutely.
Child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling
Tossed in oyster sauce. The fish is pretty soft, it's fresh. If you're a fan of oyster flavor, you're definitely gonna like this.
your heart. I bet my life on your stars. You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon.
Alright guys, so the final starter of the day is my favorite pepper butter prawns. So you'll get 6 pieces of these super juicy prawns. Very soft, very creamy, very buttery. The prawns are unbelievably tasty. It's very soft, it's very fresh. It has a mix of creamy and tangy taste, which is amazing. There's a burst of flavors the moment you pop it inside your mouth. Alright, so the final drink of the day is a lemon ginger soda. I like to have my entire drinks planned in such a way that I start off with a hot beverage, followed by something which is like a shake or a cold coffee, and finally I need something fizzy to flush down everything which I've ordered. So towards the main course, I like my fizzy drink to come, and what better item to order than a lemon ginger soda. Let's take the first sip. Wow. This has got a certain zing about it. It's very refreshing. It has ginger, it has lemon. You don't need anything else to flush down things. So this is like the perfect drink, and I really like them for recommending this one to me. This one definitely should be tried. We have the owners of the place, Devojit and Birojit Dutt. Hi guys, welcome to Foodspa.
Hi, thank you.
Thank you for having us over firstly. Ami jante chahiye, how did the name Calcutta 64 come up first?
Yeah, this is the entire idea of my brother, Devojit. This place is having pin code of 764. So from there the Calcutta 64 name. 12 onwards, like almost from the time we were thinking of doing something. We were having an open space around 200 square feet in our residence. So
in front of the house.
In front of the house. So we were thinking to do something with that. So gradually we came up with the idea that probably we can have a kind of restaurant or a cafe. So my brother came up with the idea that it should be a cafe.
We are basically looking to cater to the needs of the millennials.
My little worry tells me that the cafe is closed only once in a year. Is that true?
That's for one day only, means, when we are having picnic for our stuff.
Tachhada, it's never closed.
Annual picnic day.
Annual picnic
Wow,
day.
that's a big thing. Next up, how did things change during pandemic?
In the pandemic, we were shut closed.
Any particular reason why you all opted out of online deliveries when everyone else were opting for it?
So most of our kitchen stuffs are based out of other districts in West Bengal. If they had to come, they would have had to serve a quarantine period of 14 days. That would have been difficult, and also in the near vicinity, in this vicinity, we had so many cases during that time.
All right.
So we didn't want to take any risk.
What are the safety measures you all are taking?
In the kitchen, everyone is wearing a mask, a face shield, and we are sanitizing everything. We have a hot tub. We are putting all the plates and everything in the tub for washing. And on the floor, we are maintaining social distancing. People are wearing masks, face shields, and whoever is entering the cafe would have to sanitize their hands. They are getting checked, the temperature is getting checked, everything.
The floor is being mopped on
Every-
hourly basis.
Okay.
With sanitizer.
Yeah.
Then we are doing fogging, having a chemical of sanitization thing. So with that we are doing fogging for 3 times in a day.
That's fantastic. Really appreciate it. Final question, any message which you have for the viewers who are going to watch this video?
After the pandemic, I mean, it has taken us long to open the cafe. It's been almost 5 months. Now we think that we are well equipped to combat this situation.
All right.
And we welcome everyone within the vicinity of Kolkata, because outsiders won't be able to come now. We are safe, so you guys are, can come down to our place and have a good time.
All right. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
You all are always lovely hosts. It's always a pleasure being here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cheers, guys. So we have the first main course of the day. This is a grilled chicken steak with poached egg. There's mashed potato and some rice.
Don't last it long. I'm losing my faith. I'm walking away from what you knew all along.
The steak is a single portion steak. This cannot be shared between 2 people. If you're ordering one for yourself, it's going to be pretty filling. This has a side of rice as well as mashed potato. I love my steaks with mashed potato. It's always my preferred option. Instead of sorted vegetables, I always go for mashed potato. The steak also is well done. So in all, this is a pretty good option if you're a steak fan. Penultimate main course of the day is a barbecue chicken. It comes with sorted vegetables, 5 to 6 big cubes of chicken, and of course rice.
You be dancing on the moon. I bet my life. You be dancing on the moon. I bet my life.
What I like about this chicken is the fact that they've given leg piece. So that makes it very succulent, very soft and not chewy at all. I wasn't expecting it to be leg piece, but at least the one which I chewed onto, this is the leg piece, so it's soft. The vegetables are sorted perfectly. Barbecue sauce is also pretty good. So this is one item which I would recommend you all to try. Alright, so guys, this is the final main course of the day. This is a spicy peri peri prawn.
Child, don't forget who you are. Don't lose your head or your heart. I'll bet my life on your stars.
Their prawn dishes are amazing. I love how fresh all the prawn dishes are. It tastes distinctively different based on the sauce which you've ordered. This is a peri peri sauce. It's going to be slightly spicy. If you're not a spicy fan, if you cannot tolerate spice, then you should opt for some other preparation. But if you like spicy food, this is one thing you should definitely not give a miss. Alright, so this is the final bit of the day. Mishti Mook, as we call it. This is the Swiss pie and this is the caramel custard.
Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember.
This has gajar ka halwa in it. It's not very sweet. It's well balanced, crunchy on top, pretty smooth inside. I love the balance of this dessert. It's pretty nice, very unique. And finally, the caramel custard.
You'll be dancing, dancing on the moon. I bet my life you'll be dancing.
Again, I like the fact that the desserts over here are not overly sweet. It's pretty easy on your palate. It's been done perfectly. It's not too hard. It's not very watery. It's been set well. You can choose either of the desserts. If you're a custard fan, you go for custard. If you like experimenting with your desserts, you definitely go for this. So as you saw, that was our experience at Calcutta 64. This place needs no introduction whatsoever. It's a pretty popular place and our experience has been up to our expectations. The food, there's nothing much to talk about because you already know about the food. The drinks too were pretty good. I loved the prawns over here. They were very nice. Service is going to be a tight slow because there's a lot of rush outside. We managed to get a seat for ourselves in the special corner so that there was no hindrances. But when you come here, please do keep extra 15 to 20 minutes because it will take time because most of the times the place is jam-packed. I think it should be very clear from this video why this place is rated among the top 3 cafes in Kolkata by Google. Also, it's not a surprise why Calcutta 64 is one of the first cafes in Kolkata to be featured by IIM Calcutta for a case study. So I think this is a very proud moment for all Bengalis as well as all people living in Kolkata. So thumbs up to them. So if you're enjoying the videos, please do subscribe to the channel and like and comment. Share it with your friends as always. And if you have any recommendations to more such amazing places you want Foodspa to cover, do drop the suggestions in the comment section below. We are definitely going to give it a try. Until next time, this is Foodspa wrapping up from Salt Lake in Calcutta 64. Cheers. श्रेष्ठा फोन रखो अंदर ये हम बचपन में करते थे रखो 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 फोन रख फोन रख এই সব কিছু নো এক্সট্রা শটস না রাখো 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 নিচে রাখ ফোনটা নিয়ে নে তোর ডিশটা কি ছিল জানো oyster dish okay if you're a fan of oyster flavor you're definitely going to like this which also means I did not like it বন্ধ কর না না ওটা তো আরে আমি এডিটিং কিং আমি তোমাকে ঢুকে দেবো এখানে বুঝতে পারবে না তুমি বলে এটা তো আমি বলিনি